Guys, we got a Honda Pilot here. Brake line leaked from right over here. So we're gonna create our own brake line. So what I did here was I loosened up this little guy right here. I want to match up a fitting here. Customer went and got a vice grip and he put this baby on. That's fine to do, but I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't do. I will just ignore what I just said. Anyways, so what we want to do here is I'm gonna show you the complete kit that I got on this guy, but we gotta get this fitting out of here first. This fitting gotta go, so we can match up a fitting that I have here, and it should be a bang zoom job, in and out. Okay, so this guy should be coming off. Okay, so I went and got me some gloves, so this is the main reason why everything just broke. So this will happen to you. And we're gonna replace the brakes and rotors as well. So let's get this job first, and then we will do the rest on another video. Okay, there you go. Bone dry. Started to leak down there, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna match up a fitting that fits over here. So I got me this whole kit over here. So if you guys want to look for this online, you can do so. We're gonna try on this fitting right here, and this is the size right there. That's the size BR315 3x8, and let's see if this matches. Got me a kit here. I'm gonna show you all the kits that I have here to build a line. So as you saw, I used the kit here. So this is everything, all the little adapters are in here. So this is the kit. And let's close this up. So this is the copper line that we use right here. Pretty good. It's like this is about like 40 feet long than when I purchased it. And it was like 90, 120, 30 bucks. We got a bender here. I do have a video on this. I'll put a link down below once I finish editing the video. So all these tools was used. And we got some tools down here. This is to make the bubbles and doubles and flares, to flare the lines. So got a video on this, how to use this guy, so exactly. But check this out. I finished building the line. All I need to do is bend it a bit. Check that out. There it is. You guys saw it before, now you see it after. And it goes in here. All I need to do is fix up the line a bit so it doesn't scrape on the rotor and it doesn't hit the control arm there. Anyways, there it is. Thank you for watching, guys. Very simple job, easy to do, simple and easy.